and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. So today is a special one that I got requested for over on Facebook to do with the W204 platform. So if you are smelling a nasty, disgusting smell inside your car when you turn the heat on or the AC on, it's probably your cabin air filter. So let me pop the hood here. And so some of you guys have been looking in the wrong area. So I gotta turn my lights back on. Yeah. So hold on one second here. Turn my lights on. One, light two. Okay, so if you have a W204 with, it doesn't even have to be the V6. It can be the 2.4 liter. If you're looking in this area, this is right above where the battery is. There are 3 clips. Mine is broken on this one side. You can pull this out and you can see that there is a fan. Let me get my flashlight here. There is a fan back there that actually allows you to open and close your air duct. So whenever you're going from inside air to outside air, that is what this duct is for. So what happens is that the duct closes and your fan just spins all by itself there. So it does everything by itself, but it pulls air from inside this area and up here from the outside to heat or cool the inside air. So with that being said, that is not where anything is in your car. So when I say that, there is no filter. And there's nothing to prevent any outside air. But if you're smelling a putrid smell, it probably is coming from your carbon air filter inside the car. So cabin air filter. So we're going to get into that right now. All you will really need is you'll need a flashlight. You'll need a Torx T20 with some type of driver, bit driver or something like that. I'm going to use a screwdriver with a Torx T20 attached to it, and there are 3 different spots for this. So let me get a better angle and let me show you guys what. All right, so looking at your glove box here, you're looking for 3 Torx T20 bits. So there is one here, and then one over here in this corner. So yeah, let's just take those out real quick. All right, so now that that's loose, there is all you really need to do is just pull it down. All right, and away from the side over here, and it should come down. So whenever it comes to this light, you can do one of 2 things. You can either unplug the light or you can take it out completely. I just like to take it out completely, and then since you don't have to do it, you can just leave the light hanging the way it is there. But if you don't want the light to burn out or anything like that, you can unplug the light altogether. But this piece comes out all in one piece, so you can put that somewhere. Put that here. Now, let's see. We should have enough light because of that light there. So looking up into this space here, so there will be a wire loom in your way to some degree. Now you can kind of see this. Yeah, you can clearly see that white. So that is the clip for your cabin air filter. So there is an arrow here, and it goes in one direction. So you're gonna pull it this way. All right, and the whole cabin air filter comes out. Okay. So this right here is your cabin air filter. So I got this from AutoZone. This is the number here. if you want to get a quick look. I think that's the number actually from AutoZone. So now this is the deal with these cabin air filters. So you cannot clean them because there is a layer of carbon in here. So once the carbon starts to stink and go bad, there's really nothing that you can do to save it. You can't blow it out. You can't spray it with Lysol or any kind of scented anythings. There's nothing that you can do. Trust me when I tell you, because I went through this whole process and tried to figure it out myself. But a brand new cabin air filter is like $11 anywhere you go. So like I said, get yourself a new cabin air filter. You have to, whenever you're installing it, there will need to be some pressure on this. You have to push up and then you have to clip this in. So it goes somewhat like this and it locks into place. So right now it is not, it's locked on these ears back here and up here. But whenever you lock it into the car, there are 2 ears up here and 2 ears up here. So just keep that in mind whenever you're doing this. I hope that this helped you. This is supposed to be a really short video. It's probably like maybe a 10-minute long video. So hopefully this helped you in some way, shape, or form. If it did, please just let me know in the comment section below. I will tag a couple people that wanted me to tag in the comments from Facebook, just to make sure that this, when this thing goes live. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it helped you out with your W204. I will continue with mine. It has been running really, really good. 222,000 miles on it. New transmission, new rear subframe. I did all myself. So if you guys need any kind of help, assistance, or anything like that, please feel free to ask me any kind of questions. If I have gone over it, I will make a video about it. So yeah, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe. I will see you soon. Deuces.